over. Come on, Connor, here, I'll help you. Give me a hand. Come on.
Yeah, give me a running start. Not cool.
Come on, Connor, just keep it. Come on, keep trying.
Dude, just toss over the chair.
Keep trying.
Get the chair back.
It's not fun to make fun of the big guy.
We're not making fun.
Go jump. Dude, what the hell is
Connor, come on. Keep trying to get over the fence. Are you trying to break the fence?
I'm trying to get someone else to stand on.
You're actually using your brain? You have one?
Jump, boy.
This is a little pathetic.
Just jump.
I don't care. I'm using my brain. Yeah.
Ow! Nail. Connor just got poked by a nail. No, he's got this. He's using his brain.
I'm almost there.
Jump, boy. Jump.
Use all your power.
Yeah.
I'm a genius.
Connor has a brain.